Okay, Monty's back and we're going to get onto the internet and see if we can get you a TI type calculator for your computer. You ready? All right, let's go find the internet. Once you're on the internet, we got to go find Spokane Public Schools. Once we find Spokane Public Schools, we're going to go to Shadle Park. I like the Shadle Park one because we have all of our links down here, okay? We're going to go to Digital Tools. From Digital Tools, we want to click on Clever. Once we click on Clever, remember everything is easier with your email address. Last name, last 4 digits of your ID at sps81.org, and your 8-digit birthday. All right? Okay. Now, I've already gone past this. We're going to click here. We're going to log in. You got to type your stuff in. All right? Once you type all your stuff in, we're going to see the internet. And we're going to find all of our digital tools. Okay? So, we'll enter myself. Here's Clever. Now, all of your Clever portals look different. All right? Depends on who your teachers are, what apps they've given you, so on and so forth. So, I try to put all my favorites right here at the top. I've got my email account. I've got my Clever account. Got my Carnegie Learning account, Blackboard account, Springboard, MobiMax, EasyBridge. We want to open up your email. We're going to go to Teams. Now, a lot of you have been using Teams, which is cool. But if you haven't, open up your email account, the Office 365. Once you're there, Outlook is your email. I want you to get used to using the waffle. The reason for this tutorial is because a lot of you may have never used the waffle. Click on the waffle. Once you click on the waffle, you'll see all of your apps. This is how you can do your homework. PowerPoint. Several of you are using PowerPoint. Word document, Excel document. Some of you are even using OneNote. We're going to go to Teams. So, click on Teams. Now, this might take a minute to load, depending on how much you have. All right? So, I've clicked on Teams. So, step 1, Internet. Spokane Public Schools, you got to get through Clever using your email address. Then we're going to get into Office 365 using the waffle, find your Teams page. Now, everybody has a different number of teams, okay? And you'll see that I have, 4, 8, 12, 14 of them. Here's our geometry class. I want everybody to go to Monty's geometry class in May. All right? Once you're here, all of your assignments for the month of April are on your class materials. Everything from April, everything from May. All right? This is what I wanted you to notice. Wabbitmu. If you guys open up your Teams, go to Wabbitmu, you can download the executable file, Wabbit, and the TI84. It's called a .rom. Okay, so click, download, click, download. Now we got to go find those. It's under downloads. Okay, so I'm going to click on a file page down here, open up my files, and go to downloads. Once I'm in downloads, I've got to execute that file. So click on Wabbitmu. Now, it won't work until we stick in the .rom. Click on Browse. It's under Downloads. Click, Open, Finish. Poof. You have yourself the TI calculator that you would see on the smart board in class. Now, We don't want to lose it. So you can use it. It's great to have, but I think it's a lot easier if right here you take a moment and go down on the icon bars, right click, pin to taskbar. Now it's always there. It's easier to find, pop it up. Okay? So now you have your own TI calculator. And this will be helpful because if we end up in June actually doing some graphing, we got our y equals, it's what we're used to, 85x, hit the table. Okay, and this one's cool because we can actually type in a couple of different equations here. Let's get rid of that. Let's say 2x. And we'll go negative 3x. And this one's in color. Poof. And poof. Fun? So I'm hoping this is helpful for those of you that have your own computer. Now you can use the TI84 Wabbit calculator and have it on your desktop at all times on your computer. All right? So this is Monty signing out. I'll be sending this out in next week's email. Okay? Have a great day.